Hello friends! Welcome to Wena's Watercolors. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, the notification button, and share. We are going to use acrylic instead of watercolors. This is Van Gogh's 3 Sunflowers. Let's do the background first. First, let's take a look at the picture and figure out where we will place our colors. Let's draw a line for the table. This part will be turquoise and this part will be brown. I'm going to make a line with a pencil so I know where the turquoise blue ends and where the brown starts. I'm putting in titanium white, more in the middle and less at the side. And then turquoise on the sides. And then I'm just going to spread the paint and cover the background. I'm doing the top and edges first, and then we'll do the middle part last. I want the middle part to be lighter than the rest of it. At this point, while it's still wet, I'm going to add a little more white in the middle part, carefully blending it with the rest of the background. And now let's do the table. I have burnt umber and yellow ochre. I'm adding burnt umber to the parts where I see that there is dark, and yellow ochre to the parts where I see that there is light. And now I will spread the paint and blend like I did in the top part. Let's go back to the picture and draw a line in the middle. I'm going to make another imaginary line at the bottom of the last flower, just above the line of the table, and draw a circle around each flower. It will help me to know where to put my shapes on the canvas. At this point, let's look for the middle and make a mark. Next, I'm going to determine where the flower would be. Just across the middle and right above the line of the table. And then I can look where the second flower will be. I'm just going to make another circle. And then move to the last circle. That's the one on top. And now let's do the vase. Note that the vase is a little tapered. I'm just going to draw a sketchy vase with tapered lines from the top to the bottom. And now I'm going to fill all the shapes in. I'm going to make little petals already on this flower, because in the picture you will see that the background blue is seen in between the petals. I've added the leaf shapes also, as you can see here. I hope you were able to follow and paint Vincent van Gogh's 3 sunflowers. I'll see you in the next video where we paint the sunflowers. See you soon! Bye!